Let's start with the objectives. We'll look at the cat command more closely. We'll also learn how to concatenate files. We'll also look into redirection and reading from standard input. And we'll also look at some frequently used options with the cat command. Let's bring up our terminal now. First, let's echo hello world, and instead of echoing it onto the screen, let's redirect it to a file named file1 ls and make sure it got created. There it is. Similarly, let's echo thank you and redirect it to another file, file2 ls again. There they are, the two files, file1 and file2. Now let's do a cat file1. So there it is, it prints the contents of file1. Now here's an interesting feature. Let's try cat file1 file2 on the same line. So it prints the contents of both files one below the other. This is a very useful feature. In fact, cat stands for concatenation. If you want, you can redirect the result of this command to a new file too. Next, we will see another flavor. Let's try cat redirect to a file named file3. Please see closely what I have done here. I have simply taken cat, that is the cat command alone, and redirected it to file3. Cat what to file3? You need to provide some contents, right? So shell will treat this as incomplete and it will prompt you to enter text. After you enter this text, it will do the redirection of the entire text what you typed onto the file3. Let's see that in action. So here's the prompt. I will type some text in here. When you think you're done, you can press Ctrl D and it will end this prompting mode. So let's do a cat file3. There it is, the contents that we just typed in. Okay, so now let's explore a very useful option of the cat command, the -n option. Let's see what it does. Get it? It prefixes a line number onto each line. This can be very useful if you are a developer and you want to look at a particular line number in, say, a .java file. Here's another nice little command, the tack command. Tack is just cat spelled in reverse. Any guesses as to what it does? Let's try it out. As you can see, it printed the file from the last line to the first line. That is, it reversed the order of the lines. So to summarize, we learned how to concatenate multiple files. We learned how to make cat command get input from a prompt. We saw how the -n option can be used to print line numbers. And we also saw how tack command prints the lines of a file in reverse. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next session.